If you need a powerful and reliable solution for converting AC to DC power, the switching power supply RST-5000 offers a hefty 5,000 watts of single output power that could meet demanding industrial or professional needs. But is it worth the significant investment? Let's find out. The RST-5000 stands out with its compact size, designed to save space in tight installations. It's built for easy installation, which means less hassle when setting up your power system. One of its key selling points is stability. This unit promises a long service life, suggesting it can handle continuous operation without frequent replacements. It's suitable for a wide range of premises, making it versatile for different applications that require stable DC power. Diving into the technical details, it efficiently converts AC input to a stable DC output at 24 volts, with options for 36V and 48V variants as well. The robust design and engineering focus on maintaining output consistency, which is critical for sensitive electronic equipment. Customer feedback points to satisfaction with its durability and performance, although the price is quite high compared to typical power supplies. This is something to weigh carefully against your budget and specific power needs. If you're powering high-load devices or industrial machinery, the RST-5000 could be a solid choice. However, for lighter or hobbyist applications, it might be more power and cost than necessary. This product may be on special on Amazon right now, so check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or take a closer look.